Hey, this is Ketogenic Jim. What we're doing today is something a little bit different. I'm doing a review on a product that I got. Since I'm in England, I'm trying to review a couple low carb options that you don't really get everywhere. This is Hovis lower carb tasty wholemeal bread. I'm going to try out the raw bread. Essentially, that's the top crust. No one's a fan of the top crust, but as someone who hasn't had bread in over 2 years, it's not bad. It's not like I really desired it or really wanted it, but it's really sweet. Crust is really soft. Middle is it's very doughy. Really typical, like, you know, classic white bread or whole wheat bread. I can't say it's bad tasting at least. Okay, here is our toasted side. It toasted up pretty well, you know, relatively good and didn't really burn on any sides. And I'm gonna butter one side and try the other side dry. And yes, I know I butter bread terribly. It's toasted on the outside, but it's not toasted on the inside really at all. Okay, taste test of the buttered toast. It's very sweet. It's very, very sweet. Try a little bit of the just plain toasted. It would have to be toasted almost black to be toasted fully through. Very, very, very sweet for me. I wouldn't really, I mean, doing this is about half my carbohydrates for the day. So really, final verdict on the bread. If it's something that you really, really have to have, you really want that total bread texture, I would say go for it. Pretty much after that, not really a big recommendation for me. It's not something you really want to get into the habit of having is, you know, fake type of breads that look like it and, you know, a lot of artificial sweeteners and that. The ingredients into this is relatively expected. Wheat, vegetable fiber, wheat fiber, soy flour, wheat bran, wheat germ, wheat flour, barley flour, rye flour, preservatives, ascorbic acid, emulsifiers. It's really all sorts of stuff that you really don't need, you don't want to have on a regular basis. So that's my pretty much final verdict. If you really want to have it, if you're within the first week or two of your ketogenic diet and you're having trouble kind of getting low on your macros, definitely try it out, but pretty much past that, not a recommendation for me. I really appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, you want to get some more different types of reviews, please leave a comment below and give a like and subscribe. And if you want to get in touch with me at any type of ketogenic coaching, give me an email. It's ketogenicjim@gmail.com, or just direct message me through any social media. Most likely I'll have this video on all of them, but Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, just look up Ketogenic Jim and I'm there. I really appreciate it, and thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.